Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane for Monday, January 30th. A system moving through the area will bring moderate snowfall amounts to portions of the central and southern Idaho panhandle, as well as parts of southeast Washington. By Tuesday night, snow will have ended with the exception of a few lingering snow showers over the far southeast areas. Chilly northerly winds will also be present during this time period. We return to an unsettled pattern by Friday and into the weekend, starting as snow, and then moderating temperatures and rising snow levels will result in eventually a transition to either a mix or rain. We will begin with the 7-day temperature outlooks for Spokane and Wenatchee. Temperatures will largely remain below their seasonal normals until the weekend, when they begin to warm. This warming trend in temperatures will become important later on when we discuss precipitation types for the weekend. Again, a similar trend in temperatures for Sandpoint and Lewiston, with below normal temperatures to start the week, warming closer to their seasonal normals by the end of the week. Beginning this evening and into the overnight hours, we expect snow to arrive into the region, with the main focus being across the central and southern Idaho panhandle, as well as portions of southeast Washington. It is across these areas that we are expecting generally 1 to 3 inches, with higher amounts of 3 to 6 inches possible across the Blue Mountains, Camas Prairie, and the mountains of southern Shoshone County. Snow will come to an end from north to south through the day on Tuesday. It is important to note that these snowfall totals carry fairly low confidence, as much of it depends on how quickly that frontal boundary traverses the area. A few days ago, it appeared that the frontal boundary would be much slower and hence the higher snow amounts. However, the latest data suggest a quicker progression and thus the lower expected snowfall totals. Because of the anticipated impacts from the snow, winter weather advisories, which are shown in the purple shaded areas, will be in effect from 10 p.m. this evening through tomorrow afternoon and evening, depending on your location. During the day on Tuesday, chilly and dry northerly and northeasterly winds will filter into the area and continue into Thursday. These winds will largely be in the 5 to 15 mile per hour range for most areas, with gusts in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range for some areas. Those dry northerly winds will bring a clearing of the clouds and abundant sunshine across the north, with some increase in clouds as you move south. There is a chance for a few lingering light snow showers across the far southern areas, but any accumulations with these are expected to be limited. After a brief break from the action on Wednesday and Thursday, the unsettled weather will return by Friday, with widespread accumulating snow Friday and Friday night. If you recall from that 7-day temperature outlook, warming temperatures were expected by the weekend, and thus a transition from snow to either a mix or rain is expected, mainly south of Highway 2 on Saturday afternoon and evening, and then snow levels will continue to rise above the valley floors into Sunday and early next week. Multiple rounds of moisture are expected during the weekend and into early next week. Obviously, plenty of uncertainty remains with this portion of the forecast, so be sure to check back for updates. The 8 to 14 day outlook reflects the warming and wet trend, with increased odds for near or above normal temperatures, as well as increased odds for near or above normal precipitation. The week will start off relatively active, at least for some, with accumulating snow over the southeast zones, followed by a break for Wednesday and Thursday. Unsettled weather returns by Friday with snow through the first part of the weekend, and then transitioning to either a mix or rain by the second half. That will conclude this week's briefing. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to stay up to date with the latest forecast throughout the week. Thank you.